everyone, this is Petek. If you click this video, you wanna speak English, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna give you a speaking strategy that is useful when you speak English. If you are ready to learn, let's move on the video. At times when you cannot think of the word that you want, take a breath and try to think of a similar word that you can use. Think about synonyms and antonyms. Synonym means words with the same or similar meanings, and antonym means words with the opposite meanings. Try saying, I can't remember the word, but it's a bit like, but it's similar to. Or you can say, I can't remember the word, but it's the opposite of. Let me give you an example, guys. The film was very, what's the word? It's the opposite of boring. Do you know what I mean? And the person you're talking to will respond to you, you mean exciting? And you say, yes, that's it, thanks. It was very exciting. That was it from me for today, guys. Thanks for watching this video up to the very end. If you are not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe for more videos about English learning. I will see you soon in my next videos. Bye bye.